Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Rosella leaf chutney or Katta Bhaji. So let's get started.
I've got here 4 cups of red Rosella leaves which I have washed and rinsed well. You can use green Rosella leaves if you like. 1 large eggplant which I have cut into small pieces and soaked it in some salted water. Half a cup of oil. 1 large onion cut into small pieces. 8 cloves of thinly sliced garlic. 2 large chilies cut into small pieces and salt to taste. Take a pot, put it on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add onions, garlic and chilies. Give it a mix and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions are translucent. While waiting for the onions to cook, drain the water from the eggplants and get it ready. Add the eggplants and 2 teaspoons of salt. Give it a good mix, put a lid on and cook it for 5 minutes, stirring it once during cooking. After 5 minutes, give it a quick mix, add Rosella leaves and mix it well. Put a lid on, lower the heat and cook it for 5 minutes, stirring it twice during cooking. After 5 minutes, give it a mix, turn the heat off and mash it using a potato masher or a stick mixer. Put it back on low heat, give it a mix and taste your salt. It doesn't need any more salt. You can always add it according to your taste. Turn the heat off and it is ready to serve. My Rosella leaf chutney or Katta Bhaji is ready and you can serve it with roti, rice or some toast. Leftover chutney can be kept in the fridge for weeks. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.